Hi, everyone. I'm Jenna Davis with Jenna Davis Homes and Keller Williams Realty. Wanted to highlight a new listing of mine in Salem on South Louise. Wanted to walk you through the property. It's a unique layout and it's got main level living and it does have a garage attached. This is the front of the house here. It has 1,650 square feet on the main level and it has a kitchen that's been remodeled. So I'm going to use this Matterport system. Bear with me, I'm going to do this live, so this is kind of something that a lot of people don't do, but I'm going to do it here on the fly. So I'm going to go over to this doorway. So this is when you come in the front door. It's got hardwood floors, which are really beautiful, and they've been redone. Your front door is over here to this side, and this is your formal living space right here. And when you walk in, they've done the entry, redone all of these hardwood floors. You've got this big, beautiful, bright window. Many or most of the windows have been replaced with vinyl, very efficient windows and tilt in so that you can clean them easily. They've got ceramic tile floors in here, and this is where they've opened up the space and done some recessed lighting as well. And so this is the dining area, which is quite large. And then they've done a breakfast bar, and this is lots of storage, oak cabinets, and some newer appliances, which is nice. Now, what they've done here is super unique. This used to be the entry to the basement, and the last owner did not necessarily need access to the basement like that. So they closed it up and made a pantry. Now, this whole space is a pantry space. So it's a walk-in. You can put a little tiny freezer in there, whatever you need. You could still open this up to the basement if you want, but there's another access to the basement going through the garage, which is unique as well. So we're going to go through to show you the basement also. It has an additional 1,400 square feet that you could finish downstairs if you needed to, which is super nice too. Now, the laundry room is right off to the side here. This is also more storage. You've got your laundry room here, and this is right off of the garage for easy access. And then this is a large space in here. So there's storage here too. And this is your garage. It's actually a single garage, but they've added an additional garage onto that. And then you can get to a covered porch that is in the back of the house. You can step down from that into the access. Everything is covered from the house going into the basement for easy access, which is really good for winter time and things like that. There's just a lot of super unique aspects to this place. You've got a center hall here. You've got those hardwood floors going through here all the way to the back. You have a bedroom here. There's a hall bath. You have your linen closet there. Your hall bath is large. It's got ceramic tile floor. Everything's been updated with fresh paint. And then this is your master. And what's cool about this, it's got the hardwood floors as well, but they've added this really nice outdoor space that does have heat and AC that looks out to the double lot backyard. And you can spend all your time in there. So it's kind of like a family room, sunroom. You can use it year round, which is really nice. And that's another way to get down to the basement if you'd like, or to access the back of the garage, things like that. And we'll hop in there in a second. Now, this is a walk-in shower for easy access. A lot of people need that particular addition. So that's nice that that's already there. And here is another covered porch walking downstairs. And then this little building back here that you see, that is a wraparound where you can get into the basement there. So you've got a storm door. This is all super bright. You can close the shades if you need to, but it's a nice size space and it's got this vinyl click flooring here. And as you can see, the house is a brick exterior, so there isn't a whole lot of care or maintenance involved on the outside. It does have its soffit all the way around for less maintenance as well, which is really nice. And then you can see here, this is a full circle that we've taken around the inside of the house. And then this is your third bedroom, which also has those beautiful hardwood floors, and it's a nice size room and very bright. So if you like to sew or do anything, this is a great room for that. And the doors are full wood as well. And so just a really homey house. This house was built, I wanted to double check, it was built in 1970. So it's at the tail end of those years when we used to do hardwood floors. And we're going to pull up some more pictures here. That way you can see the backyard. Let me minimize this and bring it over for you. This is the double lot that we were talking about. It's fully fenced, so if you have a furry friend, you can have them back there easily. This is that sunroom right here. And then this is the entry to the basement down below. And this is that covered porch coming out of that extra garage there in the front. And there's that extra garage space that's right here. It's professionally landscaped. It's a very large space. If you wanted to do a pool in the summer, you could very easily. And it is right there in town, close to everything, so that if you want to do easy shopping. So it's just a really great access house. This is our basement. So this is that old entry from the inside of the house. So that door is still there, and that access could be put back in if needed. It does have updated HVAC, so this is not an original system. It is gas, and also our water heater is right there. This is a shot from the very back of the basement, and you'll see right here, this is the entry from that covered space over there, getting into the basement as well. This is a shot, so there's that old entry, and we're looking from the entry that you'd actually be using. And this is where you would enter from the outside. There's the doorway right there that goes from the covered space. And there it is right there. So all of this is covered coming in from the garage. So if you need to take something straight from your car to the basement, this is your covered porch area, which is really lovely to sit under in the springtime. And this is that entry from the back of the garage right there, so that it makes more sense. And there's a backside picture. So this house is listed at 199.5. It's a beautiful home. It has a lot of square footage and a lot to offer. So definitely let us know if this is something you'd be interested in. The website that we have, you can look at more pictures there. It's jennadavishomes.com. And definitely check us out on YouTube. We have a channel there. We will post this, and let us know if you need to reach us. Again, my name is Jenna Davis, and I am the broker owner of the Keller Williams office in Rolla and St. James, Missouri. Thanks so much for watching.